I'm breaking this tutorial into 3 parts to show you how to make the face, hair, clothes, and accessories. This tutorial is for a 17-centimeter joint plush doll. You can grab the sewing pattern from the link in the description. Now, let's look at 3 different ways to make a face. And that's it for our 3 different ways to make a face. In the next video, I'll show you 5 different ways to make hair. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more.
Bye bye.